Hello, welcome back to my channel. Before we start painting, let's have a look at some of my previous art. Today we are going to paint Bougainvillea branch. It's easy and simple yet beautiful. Anyone can paint this. They're going to start with different shade of leaves. After creating so many leaves, we are going to paint branch with brown color for this user thin brush. What did the canvas say to the paint? Why did the Bougainvillea become an artist? Because it knew how to draw attention with every wall it touched. Now we are going to paint pink flowers. They are simple, yet beautiful. In a world of roses and lilies, be a bougainvillea, unexpected, bold, and beautiful in chaos. Create random thing flower shapes, be patient while painting flowers, never going to add shadow with light gray color. Now we are going to create another branch. And what did the gardener say to the bougainvillea during pruning? Don't worry, it's just a little snip of love. Bougainvillea reminds us beauty can be thorny, wild, and absolutely unforgettable. How does a bougainvillea flirt? It clings to you and wraps you in color. And here is the final look, Mother Nature at its finest.